Let me show you one easy way to actually triple S your sales if you have an online business using automations. You know, when you're watching videos and they say comment the word start, comment the word training, and once you do, you get a response. This is one way you can set that up for your own business using manychats.com. I like this one so much. So you're going to go to manychat.com, come right here and click on automation, and then choose new automation. Select the template that you like. Use set this template and add the trigger word here. We're going to choose that this will be for Instagram Reel. Select the video that you want that comment to be on. Click continue. Set the word that you want and make sure to write it like 3 different ways because you know. So let's use the word start. Then I'm going to just put start in capital letter, small letter, and because you don't know how people type it, right? So we're going to just do that. Let's set it in all small letter. Once that is done, we're going to come right here and click on continue and set the response. So let's say you want to say sent, done, and thank you. If you look at that and you like it, you're just going to come and save response. Okay, and the next step will be to put the checklist over here. So here you say, hi, thanks for your comment. The link is here, or you can just change this word to what you like. So we're going to click on add button, and once you click on that, first let's set the get. You're going to click on get the checklist, and here you can change this to maybe book now or register now, whatever would suit your kind of business. So let's say register now, and then put the website where you want them to have the link to over here. But let's just, you know, so we can put your own website here. All right, and click on done. You're going to come right here and preview, see if it's something you like. Once they click on this, they will get automation that you already set here. The last step is to click on set live. You're good to go.